Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone ready. Open Android Auto, sign in, and grant mic, location, contacts, and notifications so voice and navigation work. Once done, plug a high-quality USB cable into the car's USB port or pair via Bluetooth if your car supports wireless Android Auto. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. The app uses both to negotiate the connection. You'll see prompts on both screens. Accept them to allow projection and app shortcuts. This gets the connection established and ready to use. Once the projection begins, select Android Auto on the infotainment display and authorize app access if asked. You, the driver, should pick default navigation and music apps so taps go straight to the right service. This reduces distractions. Make sure Voice Assistant is set to your preferred voice. That lets you keep hands on the wheel. In the phone app, tweak Do Not Disturb rules and suggested apps so only essential notifications appear. These steps streamline the interface and speed routine tasks. You use voice commands for navigation, calls, and messages. Say concise commands and wait for confirmation so the system executes correctly. When finished, unplug the cable or choose Exit on the car display to prevent background activity and battery drain. If Android Auto fails to connect, restart the phone first, then try a different USB cable. Many faults come from cables. If that still fails, open app permissions and toggle storage mic and location. Reinstall the app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.